Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about polygons. Let's say I'm a big fan of photography, but I also like 3D models, and I found a way to combine the two. I'll make a 3D model of a landscape. That being said, I can start modeling, but I don't want just any base shape for my landscape. I don't like triangles, rectangles, or circles. Fortunately for me, Fusion has something called polygons. If I go to Create and choose Create Sketch, I'll choose this plane. And then go to Create. Under this drop-down, I'll find the polygon command. Fusion offers 3 different types of polygons: circumscribed polygon, inscribed polygon, and edge polygon. To help you better understand their use, I'll present them individually. I'll start with the circumscribed polygon. The circumscribed polygon helps you create a polygon by using the center point and the midpoint of an edge. So, I'll go to Create, Polygon, Circumscribed Polygon. I'll click on the origin and drag out with my mouse. There are 2 input fields that we can define. First, you can set the radius of the circle, which actually is the distance from the center of the polygon to the midpoint of one edge. I'll set it to 35. Press Tab. The second input field defines the number of sides of the polygon. The lowest number is 3, since the smallest polygon out there is a triangle. As I change this number, the sides of the polygon change accordingly. I'll set this to 6, hit enter, and that's it. Here's my polygon. The second one is the inscribed polygon. I'll follow the same steps as earlier. Create, Polygon, Inscribed polygon. This one works in a similar manner as the circumscribed one. So, I click to set the center point and drag out with my mouse. As you can see, the first difference between the two is that the circle is now on the outside of the polygon, hence inscribed. I'll type in the distance, which will be 35. Press Tab and select the number of sides, 6. Enter. Okay, so now we can see the difference. You can notice the dimension field here displays from the midpoint to the vertex of the polygon, not to the midpoint of one edge. Last but not least, the edge polygon. I'll retrace my steps and select it. So I go to Create, Polygon, Edge polygon. This one is a little bit different because you need to first define a single edge of the polygon, and afterwards you'll need to define the position of the polygon. So I press to set my first point, then I can select the length of an edge and the position of the polygon defined by degrees. So I'll type in 25 here, press Tab, and I want 0 degrees. Enter. Next, you'll see that we can select the number of sides my polygon can have. I'll type 6, enter. The polygon appears. Each of the polygon tools come in handy at some point. You can use the first one when you know the distance from the center of the polygon to the midpoint of an edge. The second one when you know the distance from the center to a vertex. And this one when you know the length of an edge. Getting back to my landscape, I want my base to be a hexagon with a length of the edges of 50 millimeters, and I want it to be 2 centimeters high. And this is where you can help me. I leave the instructions on the screen. Pause the video when the instructions appear if you want to do the base by yourself. Hello there. Let's see what we had to do. First, we need a polygon with an edge of known length. So I'll select the edge polygon. I'll go to Create, Polygon, Edge Polygon. Place my first point, give it a distance of 50, Tab, 0, Enter. And I want a hexagon, so I'll select 6 sides. Enter, and that's my polygon. Nice, I can finish my sketch now. And I want to extrude this. I said that the desired dimension for its height was 2 centimeters, so I'll press E for extrude and type in 20 millimeters. Enter. And there I have it. That's the base of my landscape.